project.
That's how you know it's legit. Wildcat 310.
Hey, it's Freiburger here with Rick Payway, who has a long history with this car, a 1966 Buick convertible that if you're a really hardcore roadkill fan, you will know.
I'm Finnegan, that's Freiburger. We're at the Phoenix airport starting our next big adventure. We could die.
This was the car that was in the episode before roadkill even existed, where me and Finnegan went to Payway's house in Tempe, Arizona, and dug this thing out of the backyard.
What up?
What up?
How stoked are you?
Well, you know.
Hot dog, look at that, boy, look at that thing.
Another project.
That's how you know it's legit. The car that started it all. The original roadkill car. In Minnesota, in my driveway. What do you think, Goose?
Before you get tetanus, come on.
Nice steering wheel, bud.
Oh yeah. She's fit.
Harbor Freight seat cover.
Yeah.
Oh shit, the dash, that'll smack you in the face.
Removable.
You can't even see the gauges.
Nope. There's some lights that come on periodically. You just send her.
Wow.
I got the top up yesterday.
Really? Should probably just spray it all in some penetrating oil.
Yeah, that's what I did on the joint.
Oh, really? But it does come up?
Yeah.
Nice. It's got some tread left on the tires for some burnies.
See, the rockers aren't too bad.
Pretty good.
Like, the patina on this thing is great, and you got some bubbling right here, but that's not...
Yeah, there's like this hole.
Yeah,
that's
but
like
I mean...
the main part. There's a little part in the trunk where the water looked like it was going through when it was going into the trunk.
The frame looks good.
Yeah, it looks really clean.
Man, this thing smells exactly like it should.
See, it's like where the water was coming down probably from the back, but that's not
a little
bad,
Swiss
though.
cheese there and there.
Overall, it's not bad, you know?
Yeah.
Could be worse. It doesn't seem like there's like Bond or whatever anywhere, but...
No, it looks original.
Have that white top, boy.
Yeah, the rockers look really good. The frames look good. The door bottoms look good. Solid.
Good ripper.
They did a pretty good.
Flintstones.
They did a pretty good job with those.
I know, I was actually surprised.
Pop the hood on this bad boy.
Oh boy. Roadkill status, got a stick in there.
A piece of wood.
It's got like, you can see the steering box and shit. There's still some play we gotta do.
Really?
Yeah.
Looks like they replaced the booster and did some brake work on it. With an abandoned fuel pump here.
Yep.
It's definitely got some roadkill leftovers. Wildcat 310.
Starts good. You wanna hop in her? The back of the seat's a little wet from the ride up yesterday.
Oh, I suppose.
You know, make sure you can see that gauge, you know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah. Got one little light.
Wrap it up and it'll go away. No. I have no idea what it is.
Dude, it's quiet. I would have thought I would have been like, oh, blah, 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 blah. Lights work?
Yeah.
The headlights
it
do?
has the high beam kick down too.
Oh, I love those.
I was probably flashing people because I was just like clicking it. I don't know. Is there supposed to be a blinker thing right here?
That's a stupid ass question.
Well, yeah.
Is that where that would be?
I think so. There's no turn signals.
No turn signals. A little sketchy.
Oh.
You can do hand signals pretty easy.
I say love, it is a flower.
Shit. Hell yeah.
It's pretty clean at the end of it, at least. Just dirty.
It's like there was AC or something on here at some point.
It was an AC car.
Wow.
They probably took that off in the roadkill.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, it's got a whole suspension kit on here.
Yeah.
It's got to drive pretty decent, huh?
Yeah, it's just like the dead zone, and it doesn't self-steer. It just like stays turned.
Yeah.
But it sounds like it just needs to be lubed up, like greased up and shit too. It's an open air experience.
Pretty sick. But it's not too bad of a day out. It's like 55 or 60 degrees today, but it's super windy, and that wind is cold.
Dude, it was like a tornado with fucking shit flying at me from down there on the highway.
Wow. Yeah, you gotta shop back this thing out,
Yeah.
man. Wow. I wonder if both wheels spin or just one.
Just one.
Just one?
Well, I don't look sad, but I really am disappointed.
Look at the throttle pedal in this thing. That's it, right there.
Roller bearing. Got my tetanus shot on the back of this. You gotta give it some gas on the back.
Woo! Alright. Does the e-brake actually work?
I wouldn't do it.
Oh
Can
boy.
you actually see what gear you're in better now?
Yeah, oh yeah. I cleaned that up too.
That looks fucking good.
Yeah.
You'll feel how the steering wheel doesn't come back. You gotta like pull it back.
Yeah. Oh, she's floating.
Yeah, see the steering, it just, stuff needs to be like up front.
Yeah, this thing's rear brake heavy. You can tell like those drums grab before the... I was gonna say that booster looks like it's a disc, so it's probably sending more pressure than the rear.
It drives nice, you know.
Yeah.
Like having decent brakes feels good too.
Yeah.
Whether they're like rear bias or not, you know.
Yeah, they work really good. Like the pedal is like really stiff.
Yeah.
Once the brakes actually start engaging, it feels like any other car should. The steering is really weird on this thing.
I know.
It's like it's not linear.
It's like nothing, and then all of a sudden it just, dude. Actually, like the next turn we get on, do like some side to side shit where you like really rip her. You'll feel how good it is. But like,
Yeah,
it just, you gotta move it from like 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock. You know what I mean?
There's not like a ton of like disconnect play or anything like that, but at the same point, it's still like, yeah, it doesn't return on its own, and it like
Yeah.
Hardware? No.
No. hard left, hard right, and just feel like the. We're gonna autocross this bitch at Brainerd this year, that's for sure.
Every day. I mean, every day.
It's on rails for what it is.
I know. I know. I was like, I didn't.
The fact that it has all that history.
I know. I didn't think I would like it as much as I did. You know.
That's why, like, doing stuff like the RoadKill guys do is just awesome.
Oh yeah. It's about having a good time.
Dope. It's pretty sick, guys.
It is sweet.
It rides way nicer than it looks like it should. That is for damn sure. It's got no balls, but it doesn't need any balls.
You got some big testicles to pull this off, bro.
Pretty sweet driving a piece of some automotive history here.
We eat ribs and whatnot and listen to salsa music. You see where I'm coming from?